In this video, we're going to be talking about Hydronics wiring diagram number 2, which is up here on the board. Now, this diagram is actually a steam boiler with a standard R8184G primary control. Everything is operating basically on line voltage. We have a pressure trough, which is basically a pressure switch, which is both a safety and an operating control. And we have a low water cutoff. These are required on all steam and hydronic systems. So let's start off with the easy part. We're going to go ahead and wire in the CAD cell. Normally these are yellow wires when you're in the field. I'm going to go ahead and use orange just for the sake of ease, and it's hard to see yellow on these screens. I'm then going to go ahead and wire in my thermostat on TNT. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and make my neutral wiring connections. Okay. So for neutral, we're going to wire to the white. And actually, I'm going to do those. I'm going to do my line voltage in blue. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to wire in my burner motor. Okay, so that's all my neutral. Now, when we talk about the other side of my burner, that's going to come off the O terminal. O is my switched line voltage. So I'm going to come out here, and I'm going to come straight down there, and I'm going to make my wiring connections there. Okay, so we have my burner, my CAD cell, and all the actual oil stuff wired. Now, to bring line voltage to the control, I have to go through all my safety switches. And again, let's remember, my safety switches always have to be wired in series. So we're going to come down here, we're going to come down here, and we're going to come down here, and we're going to wire my safety switches in series. Now, instinct would say, come over to B on the primary control. B is my L connection for the primary control. We are not going to do that. We are going to come down and we're going to come through my pressure trough. Okay, I'm going to come out of my pressure switch and I'm going to come to pin 3. Notice the jumper between pin 2 and 3. So if I wire to pin 3, it's also powering pin 2. And I'm going to come out of pin 1 to the primary control. We're going to leave pin 4 open for now because on this diagram there's no automatic water feed. Now what this basically is doing, thermostat is calling for heat. As long as all my switches are closed and there's no pressure in the boiler and there's water in the boiler, we're going to energize the primary control and the burner motor. After the water in the boiler boils and starts building up pressure, at probably 5 psi or whatever the rating is, whatever this switch is set for, this pressure switch is going to open. Again, remember, it's a steam system. I don't have any circulator, so everything is working on the steam pressure. As the boiler starts cooling off, as heat is put into the space from the radiators, that pressure is going to drop in the boiler, the temperature is going to drop, and because the pressure is dropping, it's going to close this pressure switch. And as long as there's water in the boiler, it's going to energize this burner motor. That cycle is going to continue until the thermostat opens because it's no longer calling for heat. So steam systems are actually a pretty easy system. Now, the one thing you got to watch is there's a ton of these low water cutoffs with many different wiring diagrams. This is just one of a low water cutoff wiring diagram. Okay, so you got to make sure you have the correct diagram because there's different water feed diagrams. Okay, as you can see in what I have here. They will always come with a wiring diagram packaged with it in the field. Okay, but that's the one we're talking about. Okay, neutral doesn't even go through it. Now, we haven't talked about the water feed yet. We'll do that probably in the next schematic.